Number 1. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $5,500, Vandalia, Illinois. The 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster brings classic American chopper style together with the unmistakable character of an early Ironhead-era Harley. This hardtail custom features a Springer front end and a traditional king and queen seat, giving it a bold, old-school appearance that fits perfectly at bike nights and vintage motorcycle gatherings. The seller reports that it starts, runs, and drives, while a title is also in hand. With its simple custom setup and strong vintage personality, this Sportster could be an exciting choice for someone who wants a classic Harley that stands out from the crowd. For enthusiasts who appreciate traditional chopper styling and straightforward old-school character, this motorcycle offers plenty of appeal at $5,500. Number 2. 1978 Honda CB750K, $3,000, Vinton, Iowa. The 1978 Honda CB750K remains one of the most recognizable classic Japanese motorcycles, combining its smooth four-cylinder engine with timeless styling and dependable road manners. This example has 28,500 miles and remains largely original, with the main changes being a 2-into-1 exhaust system and electronic ignition replacing the original points. The seller reports that it runs and looks great, while the seat cover has a couple of repairs but remains usable. The combination of original character and practical upgrades makes this Honda an appealing vintage rider rather than simply a display piece. For riders wanting an iconic Honda four-cylinder with classic styling, reliable character, and plenty of history, this CB750K offers strong value at $3,000. Number 3. 1973 Triumph Bonneville T140V, $3,699, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. The 1973 Triumph Bonneville T140V represents an important chapter in British motorcycle history and is remembered as one of the final classic-era Triumph Bonnevilles before the company entered its difficult transition years. This running example features the first-year 750cc engine for the T140, along with the desirable 5-speed gearbox and unmistakable Bonneville styling. A title is included and the seller is open to offers. The larger engine and 5-speed transmission give this Bonneville an especially interesting place in Triumph history, while its classic British design remains highly appealing today. For enthusiasts who appreciate authentic British motorcycles and want a significant Bonneville model with genuine historical importance, this T140V offers a very interesting opportunity at $3,699. Number 4. 1978 Suzuki GS750e, $2,300, Greenwood, Indiana. The 1978 Suzuki GS750e is a classic early Japanese UJM that combines simple engineering with sporty styling and an approachable four-cylinder riding experience. This example shows 17,515 miles and is described as running and riding well, with attractive chrome throughout the tank, fenders, pipes, and side covers. The gauges and lights are fully functional, while minor paint chips, some chrome pitting, and a few small scrapes reflect its age. The seller notes that it may need some extra choke and cranking after sitting, but overall describes it as a clean, well-kept example that is becoming harder to find with this mileage. For someone searching for an affordable classic Japanese motorcycle with authentic late 1970s character, this GS750e offers an excellent combination of style, usability, and value at $2,300. Number 5. 1972 BMW R75/5 LWB, $4,100, Barrington, Illinois. The 1972 BMW R75/5 LWB is a classic airhead with the durable boxer twin character and long wheelbase design that made these BMWs popular with riders seeking dependable vintage touring ability. This example has 46,750 miles and is described as running great and being in very good overall condition. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, fuel lines, spark plug wires and caps, a rebuilt fork, and tires with less than 300 miles. The tachometer is currently not working, but the motorcycle comes with a clean title and plenty of useful recent service. With its traditional BMW styling, comfortable road manners, and recent maintenance, this R75/5 could be a rewarding classic for both weekend rides and longer journeys. Number 6. 1982 Kawasaki LTD 750, $2,200, Peoria, Illinois. The 1982 Kawasaki LTD 750 is a classic Japanese cruiser that offers a comfortable riding position, straightforward mechanics, and the familiar character of a vintage 750cc motorcycle. This example shows 20,500 miles and is described as running well, making it an appealing option for someone looking for a classic bike that can be enjoyed without starting with a major restoration. The seller considers it a great starter motorcycle, although the fork seals will need to be replaced. At $2,200 or best offer, this Kawasaki provides an affordable entry into classic motorcycle ownership with some manageable maintenance still ahead. Number 7. 1969 BSA Victor Special 441, $6,000, Fairway, Kansas. The 1969 BSA Victor Special 441 is a distinctive British single-cylinder motorcycle with plenty of vintage character and an interesting ownership history. This low-mileage example has remained with a single owner since 1987 and has been kept safely in a garage for decades. The seller describes the motorcycle as being ready to go aside from needing a battery, making it an especially interesting survivor for collectors who appreciate originality and history. Its yellow finish and classic BSA styling give it a strong period appearance, while the 441cc single offers the unmistakable mechanical personality of a vintage British motorcycle. At $6,000, this Victor Special could be a fascinating addition to a classic collection. Number 8. 1975 Yamaha RD 350, $6,800, Wellsville, Kansas. The 1975 Yamaha RD 350 is one of the most exciting lightweight two-stroke motorcycles of its era, known for its quick acceleration, lively handling, and unmistakable engine character. This example is described as running great, super fun, and fast, while its two-stroke design continues to attract collectors and performance enthusiasts. The engine received a complete rebuild in 2017 by Wilson Performance, including porting, polishing, and vacuum-synchronized carburetors, along with a power dynamo electronic ignition. The rebuilt engine has less than 2,000 miles, and the seller includes receipts, plus numerous extra parts, such as tanks and fenders. For someone looking for a classic Yamaha with serious two-stroke personality and recent performance work, this RD 350 offers plenty of excitement. Number 9. 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $9,000, Isanti, Minnesota. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a custom hardtail built around classic American chopper character and a freshly rebuilt transmission. This example features a Craft Tech frame and kickstart-only setup, while both the engine and transmission have been completely rebuilt with less than 500 miles since the work was completed. The seller describes the build as fresh, with everything new, and has receipts available to document the work. The paint is described as very nice, although there are some small nicks and scratches from use.
For enthusiasts who appreciate hand-built Harley customs and want a motorcycle with a fresh mechanical foundation, this Shovelhead offers a bold old-school package at $9,000.
Number 10. 1982 Kawasaki KZ550 Bobber, $700, Huron, South Dakota. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ550 is an inexpensive vintage project that already has a custom bobber appearance and a running engine. With 18,467 miles, the seller says the motorcycle runs and drives reasonably well, making it an interesting starting point for someone comfortable with mechanical and electrical work. The wiring needs attention, the headlight is not working, and the rear light currently functions mainly as a running light. The front brake system is incomplete, while the rear brake may need rebuilding, and the front fork seals also require attention. The seller includes a service book, some loose parts, and JIS screwdrivers. At just $700, this KZ550 could be a fun and affordable project for the right vintage bike enthusiast.